Introducing Veloya Inc.'s revolutionary RX series of LED grow lights, a game changer in agricultural LED lighting. Designed for greenhouses, rooms, chambers, and HPS hybrids, this LED workhorse thrives in the most demanding environments, ensuring a long lifespan. With its all-aluminum construction, passive cooling system, and tempered glass cover, the RX series is a top choice for modern greenhouses and indoor farming applications. It offers diverse cultivation setups with varying power options from 320 to 790 watts. Engineered meticulously to enhance plant growth with a focus on high-intensity flowering, the RX series delivers high PPFD levels for optimal light intensity and empowers growers with precise control over light intensity through dynamic dimming capabilities. When combined with Veloya's patented Solray 385 Spectrum's unique characteristics, including UV and far red, plants will produce optimal phenotypical expression, resulting in the best possible cultivar. With the RX series and Solray 385, you can ensure your plants receive the ideal light for optimal growth and development.